going to do a tutorial on how I do my mugs. Before I start the spinner, I pour on some epoxy and I use that to coat under the handle and around the handle, and stick my finger in the epoxy. I don't think you guys can see my handle, but well, there we go. So with my finger, I coat the handle itself. With my epoxy, making sure I get around underneath, get all the little spots. There. Now we can start the spinner. And now I just, I have my method where I pour it on and have my hand underneath to spread it out. It's a little tougher with the handle for sure, because obviously that gets in my way every time it comes around. So after I get a good coat on there, I for sure have to check to make sure I got everything and didn't skip any spots. I'll turn it off again for that, just to check real quick and get every little spot that I may not have gotten. Also, I don't know if you can see, I have glitter in my epoxy. If I'm just adding glitter to the